So molarity ਦਾ ਇੱਕ simple numerical ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ. A solution is prepared by dissolving 4 gram of sodium hydroxide to give 500 ml of it. Calculate the molarity. Molarity capital M ਨਾਲ represent करी जाती है. Solution ਦੀ molarity देखनी है. So given mass मेरे को कितना है 4 grams. Molar mass. ਹੁਣ sodium hydroxide ਦਾ molar mass होएगा sodium ਦਾ 23 plus oxygen ਦਾ 16 plus 1 hydrogen. It becomes 40 gram per mole. Let's see now. Number of moles का formula होता है given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 4 upon molar mass is 40. This becomes 1 upon 10. It means it becomes 0.1. So question ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ given a volume of solution. Given value is 500 ml. So I will write here 500 ml. But इन्हें मैं liters से convert करना है. So मैं क्या करूँगा 500 upon 1000. So 2 zeros cut, 2 zeros cut. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. It becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 0.5 liter. Now molarity is represented by capital M. ਉਹਦਾ formula ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ moles. ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ sodium hydroxide ਦੀ. So moles of sodium hydroxide upon volume of solution in liters. So moles of NaOH is 0.1 upon volume in liters is 0.5. So this becomes 1 upon 5 and our answer will be 50,2 capital M. This represents molarity. So this is our final answer.